KIOCL Limited recruitment for graduate engineer trainee. There is a new notification for graduate engineer trainee. This is for freshers. The pay scale. This is KIOCL Limited, a government enterprise of India. This is a Mini Ratna. This is the official site of KIOCL. It is a government enterprise, and this is the graduate engineer trainee notification. You can download from this tab. You can check it from the description link. Graduate engineer trainee recruitment. Different streams. This is mechanical, metallurgy, electrical, electronics, instrumentation, electronics and communication, computer science. Total put together 25 posts. The requisite qualifications are engineering degree in the following discipline. That is, a passed out year for the engineering will be during 2018 and 2019 with minimum 75% for general category and 65% for SC, ST and OBC categories. So this is only for 2018 and 19 BTech passed out candidates. And if you have CGPA criteria, the criteria is 7.9 for general and 6.8 for SC, ST and OBC candidates. These are the vacancies. For metallurgy 11 posts, for electrical 6 posts, for electronics and communication 4 posts, electronics and communication, that is, and computer science there are 2 posts, for mining 2 posts, put together 25 posts. So this is only for 2018 and 2019 passed out candidates. But the eligibility age criteria is below 27 years as of 31/5/2020. Candidates meeting the above requirement. This is recruitment through GATE exam during 2019 or 2020. They'll submit their application to online. So the valid GATE score is 2019 and 2020 GATE score for these posts. And the most important thing is the candidate should have passed their bachelor degree, that is BTech, from 2018 and 2019 years only. There is also a relaxation for the candidates, 5 years relaxation in age for SC, ST and 3 years relaxation for OBC candidates. And this is for OBC and for some disability. These are the reservations for the different posts. For unreserved 10 posts, for SC candidate 4 posts, for ST category 2 posts, for OBC NCL 7 and EWS 2 posts. There are put together 25 posts. So this is KIOCL, and the fees for application is ₹1000. They are required to send a demand draft of ₹1000 in favor of KIOCL Limited, payable at Bengaluru, and there is no fees for SC, ST and PWD categories. So during the training, the emoluments is the pay scale from 40,000 to 1,40,000. This is the E0 level entry, and during the training they will be giving 40,000 plus allowances, and after successful of training, that is the probation period, the pay scale is revised to 50,000 to 1,60,000. The question arises, how to apply and what are the days? The starting date for online application is 6/7/2020 and the end date is 31/7/2020. You can apply from this link. This is the official site, as I will give the link in the description. This is the advertisement number, and this is the download option. when you are after 6/7/2020, there will be an application link here. Apply online will be highlighted, so that you can just click that link and apply for that post. This is a very important news. Candidate needs to enter GATE score secured in either 2019 or 2020, and rest of the GATE scores are not eligible. So GATE score of 2019 and 2020 are only eligible, and the passed out student should be 2018 and 2019. This is regarding the application procedure. And after applying online, the candidates are required to take the printout and send it. After applying online, the candidates are required to take the printout of the filled online application form with the system generated application name, and they need to note down the application number for the post applied for future reference without fail, and the downloaded application with self-attested photocopies. The download application with all the requisite documents had to be sent to this by post to this address: Joint General Manager, HR Department, KOCL Limited, second block, by post. Most important thing is, after application of online, you need to send it by post to this address and all the requisite documents. In the mode of selection, only two-way selection, that is based on GATE score or GATE rank, and they will be shortlisted depending on the criteria, how many number of posts, and they will have a personal interview. After that, selection will be made. This is the document information. What are the documents required at the time of interview? These are the important dates. Commencement of online submission is from 6/7/2020. And the last date submission of online application is 31/7/2020. And the last date for the receipt of hard copy, that is, you need to send that hard copy, the documents, is 10/8/2020. Interview dates will be intimated afterwards, so that you can keep visiting the website. This is regarding the KIOCL recruitment. The advertised number HR022637 is for graduate engineer trainee for 2019 and 2018 batch who had qualified GATE score, who had a GATE score of 2019 and 2020. If you are first to my channel, I request you all to subscribe to my channel so that you can receive the further updates. In this channel you can get job updates and daily editorials and some of the technical glitches where you face in applying, and some career opportunities, and most probably daily updates. And that is the end of please do subscribe so that you can receive the further updates. Thank you.